are back again today with Nova, and I wanted to do a halo hairstyle, but I know a lot of people don't know how to braid, and I'm not that great at braiding anyways, so I wanted to try to do my own little twist of a halo. It's like the braid that goes around. It kind of looks like a halo. But yeah, I want to do my own twist on it, so this is the video for that. So let's get started.
Yep.
Alright, so I just washed her hair yesterday, and it's completely dry and everything. So what we're going to do, just so we can make the parts a little bit easier, because you're going to have the parts coming from the middle of the head and going out, and then you're going to be doing the braid, not braid, halo around the head. So I'm going to split the hair in 4 parts, 4 big parts, so we're just going to go straight down the middle both ways. Okay, so we have the hair split both ways. We go all the way this way and this way, so there's 4 sections. This is just to make it easier to part the other sections. And this is a little... Okay, so from here, you're gonna be parting from this point, so you're gonna be parting out. Now these sections, it depends on how big you want your parts in the middle. So you can split this just in 2 and have bigger ones. You can split it in 4 and have smaller ones. It's really up to you. I think I'm gonna go with just 2, so we're gonna have 8 parts all together going around the head, all starting at the center of the head up here. Okay, so I split that in 2. So now we have our little triangle sections. So most people, when they do the halo braid, the halo braid, they actually braid this section. But some people don't know how to braid. So you can either just keep this part down like this, and then you're gonna just like smooth it down and put your ponytail in. You can section it off, so you can like do piggyback little ponytails. So if we, section this, you'd put in a rubber band here, and then you do it again and again. I think for the sake of this video, I will do the piggyback ponytails. So we're gonna try to create little sections in this one, and then just piggyback the ponytails off until you get to about right here. You don't want to go all the way to the edge, because your braid or your piggybacks are going to be like in the middle down here, if that makes sense. So I got this new light leave-in. It's by Shea Moisture. And I haven't tried it before, but I heard it was good, so we're going to try it. Because her hair is low porosity, so I don't like using super heavy creams or anything. Kind of smells funny.
Can I smell?
You smell it?
Oh, it does smell weird.
Yeah.
It smells like Sprite.
So you're going to take a little section at the top. You're going to put in whatever cream or conditioner leave-in you like, and put your first rubber band. If you do it this way, it's gonna be less likely to frizz up, because if you just leave the part like in the triangle and then put your ponytail down here, all that middle section is more likely to get messy and frizzy and come out of the ponytail. So this way, you section it off, you can make the hairstyle last. So again, it's just up to you how you want the parts to be, big, small, totally up to you. I'm going with the medium kind of section here. Okay, so like always before, every time I do piggybacks, all you want to do is add this section to the next one, put in your rubber band. Okay, I'm gonna do that just all the way down for both of these sections, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I just did the first two, and now what I actually did was I only did 3 sections just for the sake of time and my sanity. But for the second one, I actually did a 2-strand twist and then added it to this third one, just so it looks a little cleaner, because when you just do without twisting it, it's kind of poofy and it'll get frizzy easier. So the 2-strand twist will help. I didn't do this one 2-strand twist because it's pretty small. There's really no point. So that's what you're going to do. You're just going to take create 2 sections on each one and make 3 boxes in each section, and then you're going to end up with a whole bunch of ponytails around the edge of her hair. So I'm going to do that now and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so here is the finished look so far, not the total finished look, but as you can see, I just did 2 sections in each of those 4 sections. I split it in 3, twisted the second one that's going into the third, and then you have all of these. My parting is not 100% perfect, but that's okay, because like I said, I'm not a professional, guys. I'm just going along with it, learning as I go. So now what we're gonna do is make the halo. Now you want to start in the back because you're going to go around and finish in the back. You don't want to finish in the front because then it'll have like a weird little piece that may stick out or something. It's better to have that back here in the back. So there's 2 ways you can do this. So we can go ahead and twist, do a 2-strand twist, and as you're 2-strand twisting and you come to the next one, you just add, see how I have 2 pieces from the first one and I split the second one in half? I'm just going to add them together and then continue your twist. Okay, then you're going to come to this one, split it in half, add those halves to the other that you already had, and continue to twist. And as you move to the next section, it's going to get thicker. You just keep twisting, keep adding. Okay, and then you're going to come all the way back around to the end. And you can put a little ponytail in here and then wrap it around. You can pin it, you can do whatever, but that is the 2-strand twist method. Now I am going to do, let me unravel this. Now I'm going to do the wraparound like piggyback. Okay, so again we're going to start at the back here, and you're going to take your section back here, split it in 2. You're going to come around this one. You're going to come around this one. If you want, you can always twist these before you pull them around so they're more clean. Pull them around this one and put in a little rubber band right here. Bless you.
Thank you.
Okay, so now you have the rubber band right here from pulling that around. You're just going to add this hair to the next one. So see how I just blended that hair in with these? So then you're going to twist these, come around this next one, put in your rubber band. And you're going to do that all the way around. So after you rubber band, you're just going to take that excess hair and add it to the next one. Okay? So I'm going to do that all the way around, and then when we get to the end, I'm going to show you what we do with the last piece. Okay, so we're on the last one. We have this little bit of hair left. So we rubber band the last one. So what I'm going to do now is just twist it, and then I'm going to tuck it underneath. So I twisted the rest of it, and then I'm just going to wrap it around, like as far as it goes, depending on how much hair you have left. So I'm just going to wrap it around. Like that. And this is a halo without braiding for people that don't know how to braid. Now I'm not going to leave this style in. That's why I don't, like, you can pin the hair after you wrap it around. You can like put a pin in or something, but I'm not going to leave the style in for very long. I just wanted to show everybody a different type of way to do a halo braid without braiding. A halo style without braiding. So this is just a twisted one. And I think it's pretty cute. So there you go.
My thoughts are, it's so cute. I love the little, twist like around it. It's super cool. And if my mouth was super long, I'd just kiss the halo because it's so awesome, guys. So you guys should definitely try this.
Alright guys, so that's the hairstyle today. I know the parts and the twists are not as neat as I would like it to be, but I was kind of on a time crunch here, and I wanted to get this hairstyle out just to show people a way they can do this type of style without braiding. The braids, I love the braids. It looks so neat, and I think I'm going to make a video on that later on sometime because I want to try it out. I want to do the braids and then the braid halo and all that. So yeah, so if this hairstyle kind of helped you out to maybe do a style like that isn't for braiders, give us a thumbs up.
Like the video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, comment down below if you want us to do other hairstyles, and share this video.
Yeah, do all that, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye!